Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 147 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and guys, it's absolutely fantastic. Hands down, the best devotional I have ever done. It's something that I started for myself and I decided to share with my community, and it's really turned into a wonderful, wonderful thing. If you've missed any of the previous episodes and you'd like to check that out, there is a playlist in the description box, and I guess that's it. So let's jump right in. Okay, so before we get started, I did want to take a second this morning just to apologize to you guys. For the past 2 weeks or so, I have not been very consistent with the daily devotionals. Typically, I upload Monday through Friday. It's like a 10-minute-ish little video. But typically, I upload every day, Monday through Friday. Well, the last 2 weeks, I have just been completely overwhelmed. I've got so much going on, guys. And I'm sure that lots of you guys have stuff going on. I'm sure that you can understand. We're in the process of building our first house. We are all staying in this very small little cabin, so there's not very many windows or opportunities for quietness and me to be able to record my videos. That's why sometimes you see me in the cabin, sometimes I might be in the car, sometimes I might be just outside. You never know. But I have really gotten overwhelmed with like my messages and my emails and the comments and just trying to stay afloat, kind of. I've got the daily devotionals going on. I'm also doing all of my fall DIYs right now. And then also I'm trying to bring you guys updates ever so often, you know, on the house and just life itself, I guess. But anyways, I do want to apologize. I have been a little inconsistent, and that's the reason. That's literally what's been going on. I've just had so much going on that I don't know. I'm burning my candle at both ends. I think that's a phrase. I don't know. Anyways, I do apologize, and I hope that you guys can forgive me and just know that I will most definitely be doing my best to get a video up every day. I'm definitely going to try my best to do that, especially for this next week or whatever. Anyways, I just wanted to say that and let you guys know what actually has been going on. So anyways, because I know that some of you guys were concerned, like I know that y'all had been leaving some comments and even some messages and stuff like that, like, hey, I haven't seen the devotional up in a couple days. Are you okay? You know, whatever. And I appreciate that so, so much. Like, that means so much to me, seriously, that just that you guys care. I mean, that's a big deal. So I do appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart. And like I said, I just apologize that I've had so much going on. It's been absolutely wild. But anyways, all right, let's get started on number 147. In a world of unrelenting changes, I am the one who never changes. I am the Alpha and the Omega, the first and the last, the beginning and the end. Find in me the stability for which you have yearned. I created a beautifully ordered world, one that reflects my perfection. Now, however, the world is under the bondage of sin and evil. Every person on the planet faces gaping jaws of uncertainty. The only antidote to this poisonous threat is drawing closer to me. In my presence, you can face uncertainty with perfect peace. So good. Find in me the stability for which you have yearned. Stability, guys. I'm telling you right now, God is my stability. 100%. Because if there's anything that I've learned over the last couple of months, you do not know what tomorrow may bring. I don't care how hard you plan or how well you are at organizing your life and making sure that things run, you know, very orderly and whatever. You have no idea what tomorrow may bring. It could be something wonderful, or it could absolutely devastate you. You need God to be that stability. so that when uncertainty does come, you know that God's with you. So no matter what is happening, no matter what the situation is, you're going to be okay. We need that stability. I know that I do, for sure. I mean, it's vital to my mental health, for heaven's sakes, for God to be my stability. Every person, listen to this very closely. Every person on the planet faces gaping jaws of uncertainty. We all go through it. Everybody has that time in their life when things are just upside down and you don't know where to turn. That's when God's right there. Even when it feels like He's not, I promise you, He is with you. And it's just as simple as turning to Him, asking God for help, asking God for understanding, ask God for discernment. He's right there. He's just waiting on us. Says the only antidote to this poisonous threat is drawing closer to me. In my presence, in God's presence, you can face uncertainty with perfect peace. Peace, guys, peace that surpasses all understanding. You can have that in your life. You absolutely can have that no matter what you're going through. Draw closer to God. Get in your Bible. Get on your knees. Get quiet with God. So good. Okay, let's do the verses. I am the Alpha and the Omega, the first and the last, the beginning and the end. Revelations 22:13. Therefore, just as sin entered the world through one man, and death through sin, and in this way death came to all men, because all have sinned. Romans 5:12. Oh, this next verse is so good. Listen to this very carefully. I have told you these things so that in me you may have perfect peace and confidence. In the world you have tribulation and trials, distress and frustration. But be of good cheer. Take courage. Be confident, certain, undaunted. For I have overcome the world. I have deprived it of its power to harm you and have conquered it for you. John 16:33. And now that's got some extra words in it just to make it where you can understand it a little better. It's by the Amplified Version, AMP. But it's still just so good. I have told you these things so that in me you may have perfect peace. Confidence. Are you confident in the Lord? Are you confident that God is with you? Because you should be. You need to know where your soul is going. You need to know that you're going to heaven when you die. That should be something that you are confident about. If you're uncertain about that, you absolutely need to get on your knees and talk to God. It says, in this world you have tribulation and trials, distress and frustration, but be of good cheer. Take courage, be confident, certain, undaunted. For I have overcome the world. I have deprived it of its power to harm you and have conquered it for you. God knows everything you're going through. He's already been there. He's already done that. And He has conquered. Talk to God about what you're going through. Tell Him your uncertainties. Ask Him for that perfect peace. You're going to have trials. You're going to have tribulations and frustrations in this world. Nobody can outrun that. But if you have God in your heart and a good, close relationship with Him, you can make it through anything. I promise you that. So good. All right, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. Once again, I do apologize for the inconsistency, guys. I will get it together. I promise. I'm working on it. I swear. All right. Thank you all so much for being with me today. And y'all have a blessed day.